I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and confirming network access. This ensures updates download reliably. Once logged in, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then go to Profile and System and select Settings. Make sure your Xbox has power mode set to allow updates. This lets downloads occur in the background. At this point, you're in the right menu and ready to change update behavior. Proceed to the System and Update screens to enable automatic installation. You're now inside System Settings where the update options live. Select Updates, then flip on Keep My Console Up to Date so system firmware installs automatically. This prevents missing security and performance fixes. Next, enable Keep Games and Apps Up to Date so titles download patches as they release. Once done, confirm power mode is set to Instant On or energy saving with background updates allowed. This ensures the console can download and install updates even when you're not actively using it. You finish by restarting the console so all settings take effect. This helps trigger any pending downloads. After reboot, go back to System Updates and choose Check for Updates to verify automatic behavior. If updates don't start, power cycle. Hold the Xbox button 10 seconds, unplug 10 seconds, then restart, and make sure your network allows large downloads. If problems persist, test another network or check Xbox Live status. This isolates whether the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.